Ended up purchasing me a rechargeable pop rivet gun. I got tired of using these regular old style ones that you just squeeze them like that and do it. So I figured I would try one of these out, and I came across this hair brand on Amazon, and they're called Anbull. It's a lithium pop rivet gun, and it was one of the only ones I seen that actually came with 2 batteries, so that's what brought me onto it. So I ended up ordering it here, and batteries just slide off like that and they clip on pretty good. Kind of looks like a drill in a way, but it's not. It comes in also a hard plastic case here. I just wish the latches on it were made better. These here, I think in time are going to break because there's no pivot. It's just plastic that bends back and forth. Of course, you get your instructions and that with it, and that thing saying dear customer, and it comes with a 12-month warranty off of Amazon there. It says it's a cordless impact lithium battery riveter, and I'm not going to read through all this and tell you guys about it, but on the charger it says green light is standby and a red light is charging, and when it goes back to green light with the battery in it, it's charged. Or if you get a red light and a green light together, it's on unchargeable battery. I definitely need to get an air conditioner going in my shop here or something. And there's the little battery charger that comes with it. The cord, I'm not sure how long it is. Probably about 2.5, 3 foot long maybe. And it comes with the spare battery, and it has a spot here in the case that you can store those. And on the pop rivet gun itself, let me slide this back out of the way. You have the little tips on it here. This one comes with 4 different tips. One of them comes already installed on it. You got that little wrench part there that you can use to change it off and on with. And this here takes the head loose for if you have to loosen the head up and do anything on it. And this here actually comes off here. And it's kind of like that. The end of it actually looks like a little drill in there that you can just put your like screwdriver bits in. That just slides back in there and you just screw it back on. I did want to try a couple pop rivets here. I ended up taking the old license plates and drilled through it. And I had a couple pop rivets here. Let me grab a couple more. We'll take a couple pop rivets here and try this out real quick. There's a forward and a reverse on this. but with it on forward, just hit your trigger and it automatically goes and comes right back out. So I think the reverse is just in case the little shaft part or shank doesn't come out. We'll do another one here a little bit closer up. A lot faster and a lot more convenient in using one of these. So overall, I think it's a pretty good pop rivet gun.